What's up, guys? It's me, Willow slash Shannon slash Jessica Rogers here today. So today we're gonna go outside and talk about some stuff. Okay, but let me get my shoes on first. So, gonna be quiet. Okay, I got my jacket on. I need to find my shoes. Oh, I remember where they are. Adventure to one of the brightest places. Da da da. Hold up, to make it brighter. Oh, wrong one. To make it brighter. Boop, bright one. So they are. I'm gonna put on one. You know the rules, and so do I. Say goodbye. Here we are. We're going outside. Yes, it snowed outside. That's why I put on my jacket. I hope Allison is subscribed to me. And Brianna. I had Allison in one of my videos. And Brianna in one of my videos. By the way, guys, if you didn't know, I had 4 birds. We got Maui. Then Clover died by my stupid cat. Long story to make it short, we locked her in the basement. Guys, tomorrow Brianna will be here. Today I didn't go to school because it was cold. But anyways, I don't know how to make the comments on disabled. So YouTube gods, add me on Messenger. I'm called Shane Rabbit, because that's my actual name. Yeah, Shane is my actual name. But my last name is Rogers. My middle name is Elizabeth, and my last name is Rogers.